This was in Singapore, Chiang Mai Jewel Airport last January 2025. But in this video, I will continue to talk about the message of Hasim from Indonesia, Team Supreme Pegasus. This was from the LTS last year 2024. Okay, so he said position of the product as high valued with expensive composition and fast consumption. Many consume pure cheer a lot with high bottles turnover. The return of investment is very fast in many countries like Taiwan, because at the moment, up to this moment, Taiwan is number one. So imagine what is the population of Taiwan, and that is not even a one third of the Philippine population, but how come they are number one in terms of sales? So maybe every home is taking pure cheer, in Taiwan. Okay, so product composition of 16 ingredient, 14 ingredient is highly valued and very expensive. So Noclaclavem, that is already, he's talking about already the seventh edition. Okay, Noclaclavem formula is extracted from the rare white strawberry. It is very expensive because of the strong anti-inflammatory properties. So when we say anti-inflammatory properties, according to the research, it is actually included in our product presentation. Anti-inflammatory or inflammation rather is the cause of all the diseases from heart, bones, like mga tumors, okay, gout and all this. But with this product, one of the 14 ingredients rather, this is anti-inflammatory. This is actually a strong, been proven for how many years already. Well, let's continue. Technology in Railway is highly advanced. Enteric coating is plant-based that can, that can withstand hyperacidity. The profit is affected by cost of production. Okay, by the cost of production. So the product has 5 patented ingredients now. One is of course that white strawberry nucleoclavem, and the other is the Selvicenta. Velvicenta and Jensen that's nucleoclavem. So is trademark to our Railway. No one in the world can have or use this formula, these ingredients. That alone makes per cheer so unique and high value. So you see, what company have this Velvicenta, Servicenta, and Jensen? Velvicenta. We waited for the mother deer to give birth. No killing of the deer in the process. Velvicenta from the antler of the male deer. The combination that they said, if you combine the placenta and the Velvicenta in the laboratory, it can create another baby deer in just 24 hours. So the Velvicenta, why we use the deer, it's because that is the only beast that has the highest compatibility to human stem cells. The stem cell is almost like humans. We cannot use human stem cell, of course. We don't know the source of the stem cells of that person. Maybe this person has hereditary disease in her DNA and all. And the doctors said that it is already, if the person is 40-year-old, or you have to add 20 years to the age. That's the age of the stem cells. So what's the use of putting that old stem cells in your body? In our product, it is fresh, newborn, no, newborn stem cells from the deer, so very safe. And of course, we are already in the market since 2016, 2008. Okay, since 2008, and I'm talking right now about the seventh edition with 5 powerful, unique and rare ingredients. And Ginseng is the only grows in the volcanic soil. So this is another trademark of Pure Cheer, no, and that's why you be very careful in buying online. Okay, the pure tier, because pure tier you must buy to the distributor, authorized distributor, and you must have the membership, because people selling fake products, they will not say that they are selling fake product.